Traffic's still moving okay on Perkins Road. Zoom in a little bit. It seems to be doing okay, I guess. Walmart seems to be a little bit busy. The good thing is it's a powder snow. We got a vehicle out here. It's doing pretty good. I'm gonna look down here. Zoom back in out. We got some blowing snow. Grand Rapids Sense, the heaviest snow band, is slowly edging closer to Stillwater. Guthrie, you should be getting heavier snow. Oklahoma City, you are in the yellow, so that's very heavier than all of it, rest of it. The white indicates the lightest. Lawton, your snow is getting heavier. Norman, watch out for that little bit of yellow that's moving towards you. We're going to continue watching this as it unfolds. I'll be giving you updates throughout the day. It's 2:30. We are in the center part of the heavier band. Actually, it's getting lighter. That's right there's the heaviest part right there. But Oklahoma City, you got a heavy band moving in right now. Norman, you got a heavy band moving in. Okay, guys, here's the heavier band right here. It's just coming down. Driveway's covered. 51 Perkins Road. It's still passable. People are still driving on it. I saw the road grader a while ago. He didn't put nothing down. He didn't have his blade down. So we're gonna continue watching this. Like I said, this is one of the heavier bands. We got someone out here walking. Full person over there by Del Taco. Right there. Hope they didn't walk from Walmart. That's a long walk. Okay, guys. It's just cold out there, guys. Make sure you burn it up and make sure you drive safe. And I'll catch you probably about 6 o'clock.